Hello friends. So today we will discuss about rent lock. What is our agenda is what is rent lock, features of rent lock, and one example to showcase uh, rent lock working. So we'll start with what is rent lock. Rent lock is nothing. It's a lock introduced in Java 5, which has the feature to provide thread safety on the methods. But it is different from synchronization part. Like in when we suppose you have uh, a class which has 10 methods and all the methods are synchronized. If one thread executing the one method, other thread need to wait until thread 1 finishes execution. So this way all the 10 methods cannot execute if one thread is executing one method. So synchronize because lock all other execution. So overcome this, we have reentrant lock. So uh, reentrant lock. Let's see this example class test. So suppose we have two methods in the class, method one and method two, and have we want to execute both in parallel, and we want to make method one synchronize as well as method two synchronize. So we can apply separate locks on these two methods, lock one and lock two. And so when method 1 is executing one thread, so other thread can execute the method 2 this way. So let's come to the features of rent lock. So in rent lock you can declare fairness attributes so that each thread will get chance in equal time for lock. Like new rent lock, true parameter if you pass. So suppose you have four attributes, four threads, and thread 1, thread 2, thread 3, thread 4, and you want you want them to be executed on equal duration of time, equal wait after equal certain period of time. So if you provide rent lock parameter, constructor parameter h false, so it may possible any of the thread 1 2 3 4 did not get chance for execution because there is no fairness here. It may possible thread 4 always waiting for its time to execution, and it is called thread starvation. So to overcome, you need to declare that you want to give equal chance all your thread for execution. So you declare rent log parameter as true. So this way you can provide equal. This is one of the feature of rent log. Another feature is in recursive function you can use rent log. So, but this will not increase the count. This will increase the count of lock, but lock is not acquired twice because it is already acquired. So let's see the one example of reentrant lock. So we in the Eclipse uh, we uh, we have this class print demo. So here I have taken two locks, lock one, two lock, and lock two, and two methods print and print two. So I have applied one lock in one method and release it and apply another lock in another method. So this way both the methods can execute in parallel. So and we have created one thread class which will invoke these methods. So print demo dot print, and another class will execute print demo dot print two method. So let's come to our main method. Here we declared four threads. Thread 1 and thread 2 will execute the print 1 method, and thread 3 and thread 4 will execute the uh, print 2 method. So here in thread 3 and 4 we use call the print to method, and we have certain sysout to check this execution. So what will happen? We started all the threads. So all the threads will first start. You will get this message in from the run, like starts a printing a document thread 1 2 3 4, and after execution, so T1 and T2 will execute the uh, print method. So you will get the message like executing print document, printed the document successfully. And for print to, you will print to the document successfully. So now let's run. So expected output is when T1 and T3 can execute in parallel, and T1 and T2 and T4 can execute in parallel. But T1 T2 will execute in sequence, and as well as T3 and T4 will also execute in sequence. So let's run this program. Will come to know what is the output. If you see thread for time taken 5 seconds, uh, thread 2, no, so let's go on top. So first we thread 1 2 4 3 all started. Now thread 1 is executing, time taken 4 seconds. Thread 1 printed the document successfully. Then between execution of thread 1 finish here, between execution of thread 1 and 2, 4 has started. 4. Now two started and two finished, but you see like 4 started in between, and 4 once 4 in executing, 3 does not start because lock is on the print to method. So 3 also want to execute print to method, so 3 will wait once 4 we get finished. So 4 finish here, print to the document execute. Now 3 has started. So that's all about reintent lock. Friends, please like my video if you found it useful. Thank you very much.